This is my Orient 3-star. I'm gonna clean it and do some polishing on it to see how nice I can get it. Stay tuned to watch. Pretty nasty. Look at all that gunk. Yeah. I'm excited to see how it comes out.
So a little backstory to this watch. This watch was actually purchased and owned by one of my buddies and coworkers at work. He actually purchased this Orient 3-star back in 1998 in Medellin, Colombia. He bought it brand new. I always saw him wear it, and I told him, hey, Dario, if you ever decide to sell that watch, please let me know. I would love to buy it and have it as part of my collection. And he said, yeah, I'll let you know if I ever get to sell it. I'm not sure, I really like the watch, and so on and so forth. Well, fast forward, Dario bought a truck and he needed some money for the registration or for some parts, whatever it was that he needed it for. And he came up to me and said, hey, would you like to buy the watch for me? I said, absolutely. We came up with a number, and I told him, hey, if you ever want to buy it back, just give me the money I paid you for it and it's yours. I totally understand. He said, okay, sounds good with me. But I did tell him, hey, I'm going to probably try to restore it and clean it and make it look as good as I can, because it's going to be a fun project for me. And he was like, do what you have to do. I understand. And here it is now. And let me tell you guys, this was probably the dirtiest watch I've ever cleaned, polished, etc. Just look at this thing. Here I'm going to put it in my ultrasonic cleaning machine. This is just a little machine I bought on Amazon that does wonders to clean jewelry and watches. I'd highly recommend one. Super affordable, really cool. Take a look. In a second, you're going to see all the dirt and gunk be shaken out of these watch parts. It's going to be pretty amazing. Here in a second, I paused the machine just so you can get an idea and look at how much dirt and gunk came out of this thing. I ran a 10-minute cycle on it. After I do that, I cleaned it just with some simple Dawn dish soap and a toothbrush. And I repeated the process about 3 times till I saw nothing coming out of the watch itself. Now that the watch is dried and cleaned, I use some watchmaker's tape to tape off the brushed edges on the watch just to leave exposed the polish. I'm going to be polishing it to try to bring some of this back to life. Alright, here it is taped off. There's some brushing on this side, so I taped that off naturally, and I want to start polishing it now. Let's see how it comes out. I'm gonna be using this Moss Mace polish. It's a German polish. One of my watch friends recommended it, and this is what I'm gonna use. Or maybe French, I forgot what it was, but this is it. Let's see how it comes out. There it is, polished up. Looks way better than how it did before. Now I'm gonna hit this crystal. You can't see it, but it's really scratched. Oh, there it is, there it is. That's a perfect shot. Very scratched crystal. I'm gonna hit it with some Polywatch, and see if I can get it looking better. Here is the finished product. Came out pretty good, I have to say so myself. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more watch content. Thank you guys.